Hey, hey, put this ball in the cage in there. Here, put all these in there. Jacob, watch him cut in front of you. Get it, let's go. Hey! Hey, back, Aiden, back! What are you doing? Come on, team. Stop the ball! Hey, they should not be running away from the ball. Jaden and Emery both. You see that? Look at Emery! Stop the ball! Let it go. Good. I'm going to get a call in a minute. Watch the middle. Watch the middle. Hey, it's Cobra, right? We're Cobra, right? Run it correctly, Jaden. Hey, you got to look at the cutters, okay? You guys got to be spread out on Cobra. Watch 11! Jaden, get on 11! Watch, drop! Come in the middle! Come on! Four layups already. 4 layups already we missed. Hey, look at me. It's down low to look. They're open down low. Spread out. Aiden, spread out. Tell Jaden, spread out. Jaden, spread out. Go. Hey, you better spread out on offense. Spread out and cut correctly. We missed 4 layups already. All wide open, wide open. This way. You're turning the wrong way.
Dude, number 11 is the slowest push I've ever seen. And you don't
Sean, go get Jacob. Hurry up. You got to catch the ball. You got to catch the ball. It's ridiculous. What do you mean? Wait, don't even make a hand gesture. You won't go back in the game. Catch the dang ball. Ridiculous.
Okay. Next time, reach with 2 hands.
Press up.
Okay. Sometimes when you stick your one hand out
Aiden back.
and bounce right off, just reach with the 2. Then you'll have a better chance of controlling it. You know,
Emery, how many more times is it going to go to the middle? How many more? How many more?
Okay. You're good. All right.
It's ridiculous. We should be up by 12 right now. Missing layups, letting them come in, transition, let's go. Who's got who? Talk, who's got who? Sean, you got help on shooter. Sean, you got help on shooter. Kenny, get in the middle. Go to the side that the ball goes to. Look like a basketball player, let's go.
Get it working?
Stop dribbling the ball!
We need to go to the
Jeremiah, go.
test it.
Jeremiah, go. Sean. Stop dribbling the ball. It's pitch, pass, or it's penetrate. Stop dribbling
I
it.
could have changed my access because she had to add me as a user. And then once they change it,
Pass!
I'm probably not on there
You're
anymore.
too late. Let's go. Cut.
I wonder.
There, Kenny. Kenny!
I didn't. Okay, catch on. I don't know what I wouldn't waste your time, man.
Know where you are on the court. Know where you are on the court.
Yeah, because they all work here at the school.
Know where you are on the court.
We're in
Guys, we're
school.
killing ourselves. We should be blowing these guys out. Let's go. Play basketball.
What?
Know where you're on the court, right? Huh? Let's go. All these things I
That's
coach you
somebody
guys.
that already does it. Yeah. What's your price?
What do you mean I'm supposed to? You know the position that you're playing?
2019
So, okay,
F250.
when you're saying I'm supposed to, it depends on where you're at on the court, sir. Cobras are me, Cobras. What could be Cobras?
You're not
Spread
even
out if you're
close.
down low.
I get it for $40. No, he's Puerto
Yeah.
Rican.
Emery, watch the middle.
How about this?
Emery!
The undercarriage of the truck. He lays on the ground and cleans
Look it
the
up!
undercarriage for $40. That's what I
Hey,
said. Nobody's
hey.
beating that. I got the best one.
That's the
Nobody's
way you get
beating
it done. Watch the middle.
that. Exactly. But you know what?
Hey,
That's why he's got jobs.
Aiden, you don't leave him. You don't leave him. Jaxel, go get Aiden.
Soon as they changed the single sign-on today, it booted me out, so I can't log in anymore. She just had it figured out and had it set up for me, and then they changed the single sign-on today, and it booted me out. Yeah, and we have to turn them all away. We had to turn away like
You don't leave that when I tell you that. You understand? Don't do it again.
yeah. And because I don't work at the school, they don't give me access to a lot of stuff. So I'm like stuck. Where y'all going?
Derek, go get Emery. Hunter, why are you coming up? You're on defense. Jaxel, you get in the middle. Swing! Swing! Jeremiah!
Jeremiah.
Good take.
Oh! Go up!
Oh, that's off. That's off black.
Let's go.
Wow.
Jaxel, just go up with it. Go right up with it. PJ, go get Derek. PJ, go get Derek. Don't watch, I didn't play defense. Back! Back! Stop the ball, Kenny! Travel.
Now, Derek. There you go. You Kenny.
Set it up! Set it up! Why do I have 4 outside? Run the offense. Jeremiah. Zion, go get Kenny. Maddie, you want to look at him or you see good?
Good?
Yeah.
You all right?
They're like, I'm literally can't take it to yours. Shut up, Zed. Shut up.
Drop! JP! PJ, drop! Drop!
Go, Jeremiah, go. Look at the shot. Rebound. Let's go, Jaden.
Hey, 10 seconds. Play defense tight. Let's go. Tight D.
Your foot. You saved it like clearly up top, but you might have stepped on it as you were jumping out.
Nothing. Over here. All right, let's go. Hey, I told you this team ain't that, right?
Yes, sir.
Told you, right? You guys are better than them, all right?
Yes, sir.
You guys are way better than them. I played it up in the locker room purposely. Now you see what you're going against?
Yes, sir.
They ain't that great.
Yes, sir.
You guys just got to finish at the rim. We missed easily 4 layups that I missed. I counted easily 4. Huh?
We should be up by 5.
Yeah, we should be up by easily 8 or 10 right now, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are we relaxed now?
Yes, sir.
The quarter jitters are done?
Yes, sir.
All right, the same 5 staying in. I'm going to still rotate more in.
Yes, sir.
All right, go over and call it 1, 2, 3. Call. Actually, no, Jaden and Emery switch. You need a breather.
Yeah. That's your water, bro.
Is it my ball? Hey, we're on D. We're on D. Zion, to your left.
Yeah, there we go.
Back. Hey, on that rotation there, that wasn't good. We're leaving that man open underneath, so I don't know what happened there with the rotation. You were on the other side, right?
Yeah, I tried to get the
You stay in the middle. You stay in that middle, okay? All right. Yeah, you don't come up on that because you're giving him up. Just come up, all right?
Hypothetically, if he come up just to be safe, you want me to pick up on the screen instead, or keep?
It's a good attitude to have.
No, Jack Sale's got to stay low. You go up and pick up. All right? Cobras Army equivalent. 1, 2, 3,
Defense
Cobras.
turns into offense because you get steals.
Hey, get up,
during
get up,
transition,
get up, get up.
Don't
Jack
necessarily
Sale
have to
back.
run an offense. You can get steals and get buckets.
Hey,
I have no doubt.
I'm doing all this to give you some looks for what they're doing, all right?
Okay.
Come on, no baseline. No dribble, pass, let's go. Look, cut, harder. That shit happens because we dribble, defense reacts, then we pass. You see, the defense almost had that. That's why that dribble had no purpose.
Run it.
Again, no purpose. Boston. Where's Boston? Go get Jack Sell, sorry. Hurry up. Oh, Robert. Go get Jeremiah.
Right now?
Yeah. Go, you gotta go to the thing. Boston!
We straight.
Hey, get out of here. PJ, stay close. There you go. You're good now. You're good.
Run the play.
Six. 3. Spread it out. 3. Spread it out.
Hey, they just called that a violation when they let him do it the other night. Remember that?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, man.
Man, that was, come on, dude. 7 layups we missed. 7 layups. We got to be in control. You watching all this mess? You're going in, don't worry.
Dang. I didn't even realize. I used to play against that guy. Yeah, I used to play against him.
Kenny, did you go to the trainer? Where's Kenny? Are you hurt? You sure?
He actually dated one of my friends for a long time.
Hey, Rob, you good. Come on. Rob, you got it. Come on.
That's disrespectful. That's disrespectful. That's a good call, ref. That's a good call. You keep calling that, ref.
Can't displace him. You can't displace him. His body, offense is he's allowed to
be
his
happy
face.
about that.
Come on, y'all boys, y'all good.
Three! Emery, this corner! Emery, this corner! All right. Jeez.
Oh, Zion went the wrong way.
Oh, my God. Go! Watch his short feet. Watch his short stepping.
Way to follow, Boston.
Okay, Kenny and Alori go in for the guards. Kenny and Alori. Yeah! Hold on, Kenny, come here. I'll give Zion a couple more. Hold on. He's hot right now.
He just had 3 steals in a row. Or 2. He deflected 1.
Hey, you're going in for Robert. Hey, what's up with the score? The score's not right.
Yeah.
It is?
You just went up 1.
Yeah.
It was 12-9.
Oh, yeah, 9. Okay,
12-9.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, 1 more and we're shooting.
Alori.
Let's go, Roy.
Run it. Alori.
Oh, don't pick your dribble up, Lori.
Aiden, go get PJ.
Good shot.
Oh, get in there. Oh, man.
Back, PJ, back. Uh-oh.
He kind of bumped him, too. Oh, he gave it to us?
Yeah, good shot.
Wow. That was clearly out on
3!
PJ.
3! Stay there, 3!
Good defense. Good defense, PJ.
Alori, go to the corner. No, on the break, go to the corner. On break, go corner. Go, Alori. Press, up.
He kicked it off his foot.
Oh, he dribbled the ball.
Yeah, it came off his foot.
Aiden, move over more.
Oh.
I tell Aiden to move over. He goes
all the way to the front.
Alori, you got shooter. Emery, you got shooter. Jaden, go get Boston.
Boston.
You're not boxing out.
Hey,
You box out, that doesn't happen.
Hey,
I know you will. You're going to fix it on the bench right now. Move down so Boston can sit here. Move down. Let's go. Over here.
right here.